type of genetic engineering in which you manipulate the DNA. You can either transfer a gene to the DNA or you can just manipulate the original DNA. Let me give you an example. Let's say this is an DNA. So you can either transfer a foreign gene and incorporate into the original DNA of the organisms, or you can just change the gene from here to here, or you can just delete any gene that will not cause any harm to the living organism. So when the DNA of an organism is manipulated, the organisms will express the new genome and they make codes for new protein. So what is the benefit and concern of genome editing? Let's find out.
In this case, we are able to insert or alter the gene or the DNA sequence in order to enhance the quality life of organism. Besides, we are able to predict the risk of getting disease in the future for some incurable genetic disease such as muscular dystrophy, sickle cell, anemia, and even cancer. And so this really become a great research in our field.
Can you talk about the benefit about the genetic editing?
Remove unwanted genes or DNA sequence so that we can have longer lifespan and we can live healthier. And else we can prevent illness by removing the unwanted.
Can you tell me some of the benefit of genetic editing?
Okay, the benefit of the genetic editing is that you can remove and cut the genes that you want or cut the gene that you don't want actually. And then apart from that, you can also discover the disease that you may be at risk. And also you can also modify human or animal embryos using the genetic editing. Okay, is that clear?
Yes, thank you very much.
But can you talk about the concern about the genetic editing?
Okay, the concern is ethical concern about the genetic engineering is it is different. For example, in germline, it is not considered. It is not like ethically approved. This is because in germline, the situation is it will cause the mutation for the germ itself, and it will alter the future generation. So it is not ethically approved, and it is being held. But compared to like the transtherapeutic genome, it is approved because it is actually enhanced, and the editing it is actually like in the somatic cell it is being edited. So like it is being approved in therapeutic genome. Yeah, that's all I think.
Okay. Thank you.
Starting off, if we remove a specific harmful gene from a person to prevent that disease, we are not sure that will this gene come up in the future to their children, or with that, when we remove that gene, are we just removing that gene or are we removing other genes as well? And if removing that gene, are we just removing the effect of the disease, or are we removing something else or another function in the body? Second of all, for crops, we are not sure that if we remove that gene from this crop or we add a gene, will this be continued to the future offsprings of that crop, or would it change, or worse, would it mutate into something harmful for our futures? As well as microbes that can become resistant to different antibiotics or resistant to different things that could kill them, which we can control. So when microbes are resistant to antibiotics or start mutating, which will cause diseases for us, will cause harm, and could possibly be a reason to cause a huge environmental crisis. So this is my intake on genetically modified